Hello guys! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fulfill orders in Wix. First, go to your dashboard. And then, go to Settings. From Settings, tap Overview. From Overview, go to Store Shipping. And then you can see right here, Shipping and Fulfillment. Scroll down and you will see Fulfillment Services. Just tap on Add Fulfillment Service. And then right here, you can now add details. Now tap on Connect Service. From here, you can now add service. And then you can now assign products to service. After that, just click on Done. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.